Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Today I'll be showing you how I made this long two-toned hairstyle for my daughter. It's so beautiful, and if you want to see how I did it, let's jump right into the video proper. So I will be using this two-tone attachment that my daughter picked out. I will also be needing the edge control, need a comb, and our coiling tool. First thing first, we need to blow dry the hair to loosen it up. Then we part the hair into sections. For this hairstyle, I'll be making big braids because we didn't want anything tiny. Made big braids. The back I cut into just two, so this gives you an idea of the size that we are going for. Guys, do you know that this attachment is already pulled? That's one of the main reasons why I even bought it, because who needs that stress of pulling attachments? So this is it. It's soft, already pulled, so it makes me so happy and makes my work so easy. So my next step is to moisturize the attachment, make it soft, make it silky, and don't forget to brush out the attachment, guys. Let's dive right in. It's time to apply the edge control around the one you're about to braid, just like this. Guys, if you're watching this video right now, please take a second to just like my video and subscribe. I'll wait, okay? No, I'm just kidding. Please subscribe and support your girl. You know, I'm just coming up on my YouTube page and I'm going to show you guys a lot of DIYs, you know. As you can see, the first step I did here was to part it into 3 sections, and this is just to make it easy to hold on to when I'm weaving. So I weave about 2 layers before I add my attachment. First one down, 20 more to go. Anyways, guys, just watch. I'll show you a detailed way of how to weave it, okay? The pop-up video is showing you the amount of attachments I have left. I used 3.5 bundles and I have 3.5 left. And you can save all that for another hairstyle. Isn't this amazing, guys? It's very simple, guys. If you don't get this in the first trial, it's only normal. You just need to try over and over. You see, I weaved it first 2 layers before adding the attachment. Then I pick up that side and weave it into it. So it's one side at a time. You can watch this over and over again until you get it. I added 4 of this size of attachments for each braid I made. So this is the size that I'll be going for throughout the hair. Just so you know, this hairstyle does not hurt, because I know it looks like maybe I'm pulling, I'm dragging, but when you get to the end of this video, you will see where Olivia is just flipping this hair immediately after I'm done with it. So you know it doesn't hurt. Knotless braids doesn't hurt because you don't start the hair with the attachment at the tip, okay? Guys, it's not like I'm a professional, you know, I'm just a mom on the job. I learned how to braid and do all these things while being a mom. Everything just came in new. But as I'm learning, I like to share my knowledge with every other mom out there and anyone that is willing to learn. So enjoy, guys. As you guys can see, my daughter is the one that pulled out all the attachments till we finished the hair. So kudos to Olivia. If you didn't get it the first time, just pay attention to this next one. The reason I'm not weaving all the way to the bottom is because I want to curl the bottom of the hair. And this is where we are so far. It's coming together nicely, won't you say? By now, you should be getting a hang of braiding this knotless. But if you haven't, don't worry, don't stress, I got you. Just look at what I'm doing here. I just weaved 2 steps and then I'm adding my attachment. It's very easy. Just see, you just weave over the first one, pick up the second one and weave. Everybody has different methods of weaving, you know. This is my style. And if it works for you, what can I say? As I said before, for each braid I added 4 layers of attachment. Finally done, and the next thing I'm doing is trimming. I'm just trimming all those excess attachments hanging out. It's time to attach the rollers for coiling the bottom of the attachment. But firstly, I'll be adding some mousse to the bottom of the attachment to make sure that those coils are in place. Coiling the hair was fun, it was interesting for me. Olivia was so much interested in that aspect. It was okay, the coiler did its job. Guys, I just wanted to say that I'm so happy that you watched this video to this point, and I hope you check out my page after watching this video because I'm going to be posting really nice content. I already have some content, but I'm going to be posting a lot of DIYs, a lot of shorts, so just stay tuned. Thank you. Let me just state now that if you are looking for a professional, I'm not a professional. I already said it earlier that I'm just a mommy going with the flow. These are the things I love to do. I love to make my daughter's hair. I love to make outfits and so many DIY things. So if you are into all those kind of stuff, guys, subscribe and stay tuned to my page and enjoy, okay? All curled up and ready for the hot water. It's time for the hot water, guys. Always make sure you dip that attachment in the hot water. Aside from the curls, it is necessary. It makes the difference, guys. It makes the hair lighter, it makes it smoother, shinier, a lot of benefits. I personally went in one attachment at a time, but obviously we know in the salon and other people just like to dip a bunch into it. You know, my bowl was kind of small, so I just did it the way I wanted to. You can do it the way you want. You can dip a couple into the bowl at once. Drum rolls for the moment we've all been waiting for. Ta-da! Guys, I was so happy about the calls. Olivia was happy, I was happy. We were both happy because I was really anticipating these calls. I actually blow dried the hair after removing it from the hot water. After doing the hot water process, I blow dried those curly parts so that it can be dry. But I feel like if I didn't remove the coils on time and let the coiler on for a bit, the coils would have been more defined than this. I use those products, the mousse and the hairspray, to finish up my hairstyle. What do you guys think? It's giving luxury. It's giving long, coily tip, beautiful princess hair in it. Moussing, as I call it, is my son's favorite part. He's just on his bed watching this process and admiring how we apply this ice cream or whipped cream type of thingy on the hair. This is how we are looking, guys. What are you thinking? What do you think about this hair? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think I tried? Obviously my hands are not as tight as those professional braiders, but this hair can fly. What do you think? I think it can fly. It can fly. Olivia is feeling it. I'm feeling it. So what do you guys think? Are you feeling it? Let me know in the comment section. And I told you guys that this hair is not tight at all. You can see Olivia whipping it. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really enjoyed making this video. Bye.